Yo, what's going on, guys? I know I haven't made a video in a little while. I hope all of you guys are doing well. I just want to take you back through the past, a little over a year, and just kind of tell you a little bit of a story and an update. So I have my note sheet here so I don't lose focus. I'm gonna take you back to August of 2024. I proposed to my then fiance, Autumn. I proposed up in Michigan in the UP. Her grandparents have a cabin over there. It's just so beautiful, so peaceful. There's no internet, they're right on the water. So it's just, you're kind of like out in nature. You know, spending time with family. It was just a perfect time to propose. What better place to do it than her favorite place, which is their cabin up in the UP. So that was awesome. I made a video for her that I don't know if I'll ever post it to my YouTube channel. It was just going through our whole time together. At that point in time, we were together for 7 years. I want to say. It was a long time in the making, but it was amazing. It was, at that point in time, the biggest moment of my life. From there, we started planning our wedding. We knew we didn't want to have a long engagement, so that was a whole process. So just super busy right from the jump. Fast forward to November, I believe it was November of 2025. Autumn and I signed our first lease for our very first home that I am currently sitting in. This house has been awesome for us. Not a lot of issues or anything like that. Luckily, the company that we're renting through has been pretty great to work with. So we're blessed in that aspect, and just blessed in general, just to be in this home. We are definitely blessed, and we're thankful every day. That was a huge milestone and kind of just a huge turning point of our lives. Again, I couldn't be happier. And I'll give you a little bit of a tour of the house. I'm just showing you around or what. We're gonna start in my office here. This is the setup. This is what office looks like. Just got the printer there, desk, computer, monitors, and yeah. This is the home office. It's a little bit messy, but yeah, that's it. Home office. Got a closet in here. We'll go over here quick. So this is one of the extra bedrooms. It's pretty dirty because we have all of our Christmas stuff there and wrapping paper and whatnot. I'm actually filming this clip Christmas Day. So I gotta get going here shortly, but this is our guest bathroom. This is our bedroom. The house is a 3-bed, 2 full bath. This is our living room. Christmas tree. Couch. Kitchen, little island there. Table, front door, hallway. I'll real quickly show you in here. Laundry room, garage. I'll show you quick. There's the garage. And the basement. So just a quick tour for you guys. This is our little home. Merry Christmas to everybody. But yeah, it's a very nice place, and again, we are blessed. So like I said, we started the wedding planning early. Got a good jump start on it. Again, we knew we wanted it to be like within the year. Spoiler alert, we got married. She is no longer my fiance. Autumn is my wife, and I'll show you the bling. Little blingy bling. See if it'll focus. Lighting's not the greatest, but I have my ring and she has her ring, obviously. The wedding was amazing. It was so much work. I have to give a lot of credit to the planning, to Autumn. She's just so organized, and that is so helpful when you're planning a wedding. But we both put in a ton of time and energy and work, and as well as our families. So I just want to thank everybody who helped us in any way with the wedding. Thank you so much. It truly is a blessing to have such great people around us. The wedding was beautiful. The venue was beautiful. The time of year was beautiful. We got married in September 19th of 2025. We've been married for over 3 months now, which is just insane to think about. I couldn't be happier. I'm so happy that I was able to marry my best friend. Things are going great. So I couldn't be happier in that aspect. Then in October, we took our dream honeymoon to Hawaii. We went to Honolulu, Hawaii, and it was the best vacation slash honeymoon that I've ever been on. We loved it so much. Hawaii is absolutely beautiful, and we just bit the bullet. We knew it was either gonna be we do this now or we don't do this for a very long time. The weather was beautiful. It was like high 80s like every day. Went to the beach pretty much every day. The water is just so clear, and the beaches are just so much different than like say like Florida. It's just so much nicer. And we had amazing food there. We went on beautiful hikes. We saw like the surfers, and we went and toured the Dole plantation and got to learn on how pineapples are grown. And it was just such a good trip. And we are truly blessed to have been able to take that trip. We will definitely be going back to Hawaii in the near future. We both loved it so much, and there's just so much to do. We definitely want to go to some of the other islands as well. We just did so many cool things and experienced so much within a week. It was amazing. This past year has just been so busy and crazy. And with the holidays coming up, things aren't really slowing down all that much. I love this time of year, Christmas, the New Year. It's probably one of my favorite times of year. I love just being with family and everything like that. I'm sure all of you guys are that same way. I'm excited for it to be Autumn and I's first Christmas together in our own home, married. It's just crazy to say and crazy to think about. I'm trying to just take everything in and soak everything in as much as I possibly can. I know it's hard, you know, life is crazy, but I'm trying. I'm excited for this holiday season. As far as cars and car content goes, I still have the Speed 3, I still have the Mazda 3 as my daily. Over this past summer, I worked quite a bit on the Mazda 3 actually, just fixing little things here and there. I filmed some content on that car actually. I'll link the video down in the description, or it'll be in the end card. I fixed a P2009 code on the car, and that video has gotten some good traction, so thanks everybody for watching that. I'll continue making content on that car. The Speed has remained pretty much unchanged. I took it to a lot of Cars and Coffee events around me this past summer as well. I will be doing some other like small install videos on the car. I bought a couple things for it that as soon as the snow is gone and the car is out of hibernation for the winter, I will be filming those videos. As soon as the snow is gone, I'll be taking it out. I do have some maintenance on the Speed that I need to take care of. I need to get my intake valves blasted and my injectors cleaned, maintenance, stuff like that. And I will actually be doing it this spring. I know I've been like putting this off for a while, but I actually just hit 100,000 miles on the Speed. I've had that car since I was in high school, a senior in high school. Yeah, I'll definitely be making more content on the Speed as well. As soon as we get the warm weather back. My series Car Chronicles as well. I know I said that I would be filming some videos over this past summer with some buddies' cars, but just as you can see with how crazy life has been, I just haven't had the time to film those videos. They're a lot more labor intensive and a lot more moving parts with those videos, and I will continue that series. It just kind of got put on the back burner for more important things. I still love cars, I still love filming cars and filming YouTube videos, so I'll continue to create content for you guys. With 2026 fast approaching, it's just crazy to think how much has gone on over the past year. I want to thank everybody for your continued support on these videos. I really do appreciate it. As I get older and time just continues to go quicker and quicker, you really do recognize, what's important in life. Just love the people that you have in your life, especially with the holidays right around the corner. Be thankful for the ones that you have around you. I'm not trying to preach to you guys. If you're going through a rough spot, just keep pushing, guys, keep grinding, keep your nose to the grindstone. I'm definitely gonna continue to do that. Again, I wanna thank you guys all for watching. I truly appreciate it. I'll see you guys in 2026. Thank you so much for watching. Take it easy, stay safe, and peace out.